JF from Flipzco.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
He's hosting an amazing event here at CCC.
Amazing? Damn, you actually said something nice to me
Yeah,
for
man.
the first time. What's
so
going on?
give us a little rundown of what's going on.
So we are currently at CCC of Manhattan, as Cody said, and there's currently a car showcase. It's more like if you could put cars in like an art gallery, that's a style that is kind of going on right now. Classic Car Club is a membership only. They open their doors for us. They let us have a like car meet, JDM themed. So you'll find everything from a Supra all the way to an MX-5 to I think that's a cappuccino or something like that. That's really reckless. It's not a cappuccino. What is it?
It's
Come on, Danny.
I don't know. Something else.
It's not a cappuccino. It looks like a cappuccino. It's a teacup. All right. So at the end of the day, we try to bring all ends from the tri-state area to this one showcase in Manhattan, and it just turned out to be a really, really cool event. And for the record, I beat Cody in VR.
Yeah. Wouldn't get out my way.
And I'm still drunk from yesterday.
Point one on the lap time, but
it was a cardigan.
It's the cardigan.
But we're out here. We don't all have cardigans, so I'm tired of freezing my balls off. We're gonna go back inside and do a little recap of what's going on.
What are we doing?
We're in a crazy simulator. I mean, it's fucking ridiculous. So we're gonna see. Apparently, there's only 13 in the world. This is currently up and running by like F1 guys and everything else. So it should be pretty ridiculous. Dude, this brake feels
Like a real brake. Yeah. Dude, he said these seats can go all the way down. Like if you're doing Formula One, they can shift down.
Put your like hand on the fucking. Put your hand on the freaking brake.
I'll feel it.
It's like.
It looks like a real brake.
Dude, and then fucking gas, nice and easy. What?
You gonna go drifting?
We're gonna try not to drift. We're cruising a C7 Vets.
C7 Vets?
Yeah.
I was not expecting that.
Yo. You got the headset on?
This is something else. No, this is
C7s.
You're telling me that
You got 3 projectors.
Yeah, because it's on all of these things. So like, when if you did a
Dude, it's weird the way like it echoes the sound in here.
Yeah. It's like you're in a dome.
Yeah, dude, it's wild.
Yeah, it's nuts. So the screen once you're in there.
Oh, it's right-hand drive?
It's wild. So.
Oh God. Whoa.
We usually pick one car and do that for the night. You know. You probably need a little closer.
Whoa. Not used to that.
I'm putting on the right. Yep. And then just a little bit of gas and turn right. Turn right out of that. Yep. And you'll see a pair of green walls. Turn right hard. See those green walls? You got to go in between those. So now you are unlimited. So you got full. Whenever you feel comfortable, let it rip. These are 600 horsepower cars.